student, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, we have discussed male reproductive system in human. Today, we will discuss female reproductive system. In that, we will concentrate on structure of ovary. So, let's start. As in female reproductive system, it consists of a pair of ovary, a pair of oviduct. There is a presence of pair of ovaries. So these two are ovaries. Pair of ovary, pair of oviduct, that is also called as the fallopian tube. Then there is a presence of a single uterus. Vaginal passage is there. These are the female reproductive system. As there is a presence of intergenitalia, this internal genitalia, it includes vulva and vestibule. In addition to this, the female reproductive system also shows presence of glands. The first gland, it's a mammary gland, and the second one, it's a Bartholin's gland. In today's video, we will see the structure of ovaries. Okay, so let's start. It also called egg receptacles. It also called egg receptacle. It is the primary female sex organ, or it's a primary female gonads. They are paired. So these two are the ovaries. These are the paired female gonads. They are almond shape. इसका जो शेप होता है वो somewhat almond के जैसा होता है और somewhat oval shape. It's somewhat cream color organs. It's a cream color bodies and it's a mesodermal in origin. It is about 3 cm length, 1.5 cm breadth and 1 cm thick. They lie on the lateral wall of the pelvis, or they lie on upper lateral part of the uterus. ये जो यूटेरस का पोर्शन है, ये यूटेरस के पोर्शन के अपर और लैटरल साइड में ओवरीज होती है. It is present near to the kidney. It's a present near to the kidney. As this ovary, each of ovary is held in position, held it or its lie. Each of ovary is held in position by ligament, by attaching it to the uterus. ये जो ओवरी है, ये ओवरी यूटेरस को अटैच्ड होती है और टू द एब्डोमिनल वॉल. ये लिगामेंट क्या होता है? तो लिगामेंट फीमेल के बॉडी में जो ओवरी है वो ओवरी की पोजीशन चेंज नहीं होनी चाहिए, और ओवरी की पोजीशन चेंज न हो इसलिए यहाँ पे ओवरी के आजू बाजू में लिगामेंट्स होते हैं. द लिगामेंट्स, it is present in ovary to dislocation of the ovary. This ovary, in each of ovary there is a presence of 3 forms of ligaments. These ligaments, the first ligament is called as the broad ligament. ये पहले वाला है broad ligament. दूसरा जो लिगामेंट है वो है ओवरियन लिगामेंट, और तीसरा जो लिगामेंट है वो है सस्पेंसरी लिगामेंट. ये जो पहला वाला ब्रॉड लिगामेंट है, क्या है ये ब्रॉड लिगामेंट? दिस ब्रॉड लिगामेंट, it's formed by a fold of parietal peritoneum. It formed by a fold of parietal peritoneum. It hold, ये ज़्यादा important है, It hold the ovary. ये जो यहाँ से यहाँ तक का जो पोर्शन है ये पूरा है ब्रॉड लिगामेंट का. It's a broad ligament. This broad ligament it hold. इसने किसको होल्ड किया है? ये ओवरी का पोर्शन है. It hold the ovary. It hold the oviduct. ये oviduct है और ये oviduct को भी ये होल्ड किया है ब्रॉड लिगामेंट ने. और it hold the uterus. और इस यूटेरस को भी होल्ड किया है. ये पूरा जो पोर्शन है ये है ब्रॉड लिगामेंट का. दिस ओवरी, जो ओवरी को होल्ड किया है उसको बोलते हैं मेसो ओवरियम. The broad ligament, the part of the broad ligament which holds the ovary. आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे ये ओवरी है और ओवरी को होल्ड किया है ये ब्रॉड लिगामेंट ने. It's called as the meso ovarium. If the broad ligament it's hold the fallopian tube or it's hold the uterine tube or it's hold the oviduct, then it is called as the mesosalpinx. It called as the mesosalpinx. And the third one is there, that is called if the broad ligament it hold the uterus. If it hold the uterus, then it is called as the mesometrium. It called mesometrium. These the three, mesosalpinx, mesoovarium and the mesometrium. These three together forms the broad ligament. It together. So this broad ligament is the largest ligament. इसलिए इसको बोलते हैं कि largest ligament है क्योंकि ये तीनों parts को अटैच करता है ओवरी को. पोजीशन, ओवरी की पोजीशन डिसलोकेशन होने से अवॉइड करता है. इट्स गिव्स अ प्रोटेक्शन टू द ovary to avoid the dislocation. The second ligament which is here, that is called as the ovarian ligament. दूसरा जो ligament है वो है ovarian ligament. क्या है ये ovarian ligament? This ovarian ligament, this ovarian ligament क्या है? ये ovarian ligament it attach the ovary. ये जो पोर्शन है ये है ओवरी का पोर्शन. ओके, it attach the ovary to the uterus. ये आप देख रहे हैं ये जो ट्यूब है यहाँ से ये जो ट्यूब बनी है ब्लू कलर की, ये जो ट्यूब है इसको बोलते हैं, ये जो ट्यूब दिख रही है आपको, दिस इज सेज एज द ओवरियन लिगामेंट की जो यूटेरस को अटैच हुई है. इट अटैच द ओवरी टू द यूटेरस. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द ओवरियन ligament. It called ovarian ligament. The third form of ligament, that's it's called as the suspensory ligament. ये थर्ड वाला है suspensory ligament. This suspensory ligament it attach body wall to the ovary. ये जो पोर्शन आपको दिख रहा है ओके ये पोर्शन है suspensory ligament का. It attach the pelvic wall to the ovary. यहाँ पे ये pelvic wall होता है और ये pelvic wall है ओवरी को अटैच है. So these are the three important ligaments are present in the ovary. The first one is broad ligament कि जो ओवरी को अटैच है, जो ओविडक्ट को अटैच है और वो यूटेरस को अटैच है. The second form of ligament, which is the ovarian ligament, it attached the ovary to the uterus. And the third ligament is here, that is the suspensory ligament, which attached the pelvic wall to the ovary. In addition to this ovary produces 5 hormones wise. The first one is estrogen, second one is progesterone, next one is relaxin, next one is activin, and the last one is inhibin. So here we completed the structure of ovary. In next video we will see the structure and development of the ovary. Thank you for watching my video. In my next video we will see the remaining part of the ovary. Thank you.